again everybody, I'm back here with Iban and today we're going to create this gorgeous monochromatic look. Okay, I'm just going to put on one of my favorite lipsticks, which is just a mix of some beautiful browns and pinks, and it's just my favorite. Now that we have this beautiful raisin kind of brown color, I think it's time to keep it cool on the eyes. I think a lot of us struggle with how to do cool eyeshadow, but really it's the simplest thing. I'm going to use a combination of Nars, Bali and this Bourjois color I came across. It's number 6. So you can see it's got that cool, just like her shirt in fact, which is why she chose it. These are both this kind of cool color, and I'm just going to do a wash of this eyeshadow. So I have used a large sort of brush just to get a soft wash. Now using the same product with a denser brush, I'm going to achieve some depth. These are the two brushes I'm using. That's the M508 and the M210. So I've just dampened my brush a little bit. Okay, next I'm going to dip into my Bali, same brush. Now just using a face powder, and I'm going to use my trusty Infallible warm sand. I'm going to bring this cool color to skin tone. Now I'm just going to blend this all together. If you want to go more extreme, you can pick up a darker brown for out here. I just wanted to do a medium brown eye because you can see this lip is really the star of the show. It's really delicious. So this is Rimmel Exaggerate in the Nude. And this is a really great way of making your eye look pretty dramatic. It gives it this punch. And it's also a great way to not look as tired as you might really be feeling. And at first it looks a little strange, but your eyes will sort of, as you blink, soften it out a bit. Okay, I'm going to do two things now. I'm going to use Rimmel Exaggerate in Rich Brown and that same Morphe little brush, 508. Just rub your brush along the pencil and just smudge this in towards the lashes. And then I would just stretch and soften. And once you've softened, I would dip back into that Nars Bali and just go over the edge. And the last thing I would do, which you might think is a little crazy, I'm going to take that same cool eyeshadow and put it in the cheeks. And that is what we call a monochromatic look. Using that same Bali, just going to stick that in the brows a little bit. And boom, there we have it. I hope you found that informative, and if you use this kind of color, it's such a multitasker. You can see we used it for the cheeks, for the eyes, for the brows, and just a tone of it on the lips as well. I love this kind of look. I think it's super sophisticated. Do try this out and let us know how it worked out for you. And if you'd like to see any other looks, please let us know in the comments. Please subscribe, and if you hit the bell, then you'll get a notification every time we drop a new video, and we're dropping a lot of them, ladies. So thank you so much for joining us. I hope you had a good time, and thank you again to Iman, who's always so generous with her face and her time. Bye guys.